It's very light in flavours, guys. It's really delicious. Bit of onion, bit of garlic. You've got that tomato creeping through there with a little bit of parsley. You know, the shrimp is so sweet. It's been cooked in that sauce. It's delicious. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a simple, easy pasta dish. Shrimp or prawn linguine. Now this is really easy to make. Comes together in about 12 minutes. That's all. So simple, let's show you how to do it. Come on. This is a really simple dish, like I say, guys. We want some water in a pan, bring it up to the boil and stick our pasta in. It's as easy as that, really. Now we want to be going in with some salt for our pasta, guys. You know, pasta tastes of absolutely nothing. If we boil it in water, it tastes of nothing. So we want about a tablespoon and a half of salt in that water, something like that. Package of pasta, 500 grams. Pasta for 2 people, a really good portion, or even 3 people actually. We'll do half of it. Okay, water's boiling. Get some pasta out of here. Pasta in. Right, a little stir in there, get it in there, little stir in. I'm going to cook this for about 7 minutes, I reckon, somewhere around about there. That'll give us time to crack on with this. Now, if you look here, guys, these are shrimp that I've already cleaned and deveined. Now, there'll be a link in the description so you can see how to do it. Whilst the pasta's cooking, we can crack on with the rest of the ingredients. Right, we've got some garlic, okay? A little bashing on the garlic. We don't need to mince this. So it's just a little bashing. I mean, this is a really, really easy recipe. So just straight over the top with your knife. I mean, really straight over the top. You know, if you want to use a mincer, mince it up. But there's absolutely no need. We want garlic in our pasta. So that's our garlic, and all we're going to do is put our garlic in a tub. Easy as that. Straight in the tub. We've got an onion, guys. Okay? I don't hold with all this parallel cutting in here. It's a load of nonsense. The onion is made up of segments, so you can just cut it across like that. And you can slice it. Not a problem at all. And you still get diced onion. So up to you, whichever way you want to do it. If you want to do the old stupid parallel cut to your hand, be careful and crack on. Onion and garlic. Now guys, where would pasta be without tomato? Cherry tomatoes, we're not going to do anything else than just cut them in half. And that is it. And you know, you're in complete control of how many tomatoes you want in your pasta dish as well, you know. So that's our tomatoes. Tomatoes in our bowl. As easy as that. So tomatoes, onion and garlic. We've got some parsley. This is curly parsley. You can use fat leaf parsley. It's up to you. So if you get the flat leaf parsley, just mince it up. If you've got this stuff, this is all I could get this time. Just give it a run through with your knife. Parsley in the tub. That's it, guys. Nearly done, guys. Pasta nearly done. Ooh, hot. Okay, that pasta is done. Has a little bit of crunch to it, so we just need to take it off to one side. Do not drain it. Pan on, guys. Smidgen of olive oil. Now don't be frightened of putting the butter in here. This is part of our sauce. So we must have in there about 4 or 5 tablespoons of butter. There you go. So nice and steady round. We don't want to burn anything. It doesn't want to be too hot. You know, you'd be absolutely amazed the amount of people who are frightened of cooking with butter, you know. And I don't mean frightened of actually cooking with butter, but they put in 1 tablespoon. You know, we're making a sauce. This butter sauce with the white wine and the cream and the onions, garlic and all the bits and pieces is going to flavour our pasta. So, you know, get it in there. Right, let's go in with some onions and garlic. And all we're going to do, guys, is just cook this down a little bit until it goes slightly translucent. That is all. And what we're going to do, we're going to go in with a good pinch of black pepper. You know, the amount of people are frightened of actually adding the ingredients. You know, they put a little bit of everything. So black pepper in. Let's give that a little work round in there. This smells absolutely sensational already. Love that smell. Butter, onions, garlic, pepper. What more can you want? Oh, look at that. Right, in with our tomatoes. Get the tomatoes in there. You know, tomatoes and butter make a fantastic sauce for pasta. You know, you could just mix up some pasta with tomatoes and butter and it tastes fantastic. Sprinkle over a little bit of parsley. You've got a great dish. Okay, the tomatoes are starting to break down in there. Ooh, and what we want to do, we want to go in with a glug of wine. Probably about a glass, thereabouts. Oh, smell that. Okay, let that come back up again. Now we're not trying to reduce this in any way, guys, you know, it's part of our sauce. So just get it up to boiling and then just cook it for about a minute, tip your cream in and we're good to go. Fantastic. In with some cream. You're in control, guys. Chuck in as much cream as you want. We're doing a nice creamy buttery sauce. Okay, let's get that back up again. Nice little simmer on there. Now I've not put any salt in, guys, because we salted the pasta and the pasta is going to carry enough salt when we add it to this. What we can do after we give it all a mix through, if there's not enough salt, we can add a pinch of salt, but don't put it in until you've added your pasta. Pastas are different. Some pastas don't take on much salt from the water. Other pastas take on quite a lot. You have to taste your pasta to know what it does with the salt. I'm not trying to thicken this sauce in any way, guys. Okay, we're just going to give it a warming through. And I'm going to chuck the shrimp in there, cook the shrimp in there. So we got a bit of parsley, in with some parsley. and we'll save a bit to mix. And then in with our shrimp. And we're going to cook that straight in there. Fantastic. That's it, guys. Flame off, pan off the heat. Doesn't need to be on there anymore. Okay, that's our pan of goodies. Pasta straight out of here into there. It's as simple as that. No messing, no draining, no straining. In it goes, stir it round. Oh, just look at that. Nice mix through. In with some parsley. Get it all in. We're not going to waste it, are we? Nice stir up, fold through, and then we're going to serve it up. Oh, just look at that. Oh, that is unbelievable. Unbelievably good, that, guys. Now serve it up with what bread you like. This is for tea. You know, you need to be taking up that butter and that white wine sauce. Oh, oh, incredibly sweet. That is incredibly sweet. Fantastic. It's very light in flavours, guys. It's really delicious. Bit of onion, bit of garlic. You've got that tomato creeping through there with a little bit of parsley. You know, the shrimp is so sweet. It's been cooked in that sauce. It's delicious. And then obviously you take a little bit of crusty bread of your choice and mop it up. That is amazing. Guys, if you like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.